A big hello and warm welcome to all my listeners. I'm Neha, your host, and I welcome you all to Rendezvous with Twin Flames. I hope you all are doing well and taking care of yourself. With this belief, let's get started. Today, one of my friends who happened to be a listener of my podcast reached out to me asking whether each one of us has a twin flame. And if it is so, how should one determine? I found the question quite interesting and thought to share my views with you all. Friends, to make you all aware, I have covered the basic difference of soulmates and twin flames in the first episode of Rendezvous with Twin Flames. Most of us gets distracted with the twin flame concept and may associate it with a romantic relationship. I beg to differ here, as it does not work that way. This journey is not about good times, the love partnership, or having candid moments with your counterpart. The twin flame concept can be confusing since it is believed to be a soul connection. And if it is a soul connection, then why all the souls on the earth cannot have a twin flame? I would try to explain it in simpler terms. Yes, twin flame is indeed a soul connection and is believed that they are evolved from the same soul. The souls are split into two and they incarnate into two different bodies. As per the theory, all the souls should have their twin flames. However, the important point to understand here is that the other part may or may not incarnate in the same lifetime as of yours. And if it does, then it's not necessary that they both meet and recognize them in the same lifetime. Let's assume even if they incarnate and meet in the same lifetime, that does not always mean they both are awakened of being a twin flame to each other. In other words, everyone may have a twin flame, just not everyone is incarnated on earth with their twin flame. This is why it is quite uncertain and becomes highly dubious to figure out who your twin flame is, in case you have not encountered them already. The twin flame journey is majorly connected with your karmas and how the souls heal their past karmas, how they get awakened and evolved during the process. Having a twin flame does not imply that they are meant for each other and are supposed to be united in the physical world. Friends, let us not forget that they have been evolved from the same soul, which itself indicates that these two souls are already united. So, it has nothing to do with the physical union of the counterparts involved over this journey. They may have significant roles in each other's lives, and this is limited to their spiritual awakening and their transformation as an individual. With this, I would like to end today's episode. Hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you so much for listening. See you in the next episode. Till then, stay in love with Rendezvous with Twin Flames.